I'm going to show you how to take your web that we've made on Google Drawings and add it to a Google Slides. Now, the next time that you complete your webs for science, I suggest that you open up Google Slides and we'll just create the web in Slides and then go on and add our notes from there. But this is going to be able to fix the problem of just having it to get it from drawings to slides. So it's going to look a little different on mine than it will on yours, but I'll tell you where the differences lie. So after we've completed our web, we're going to click on File and Download As. And we can choose two different things. We can choose as a JPEG. Now, if we choose a JPEG, everywhere that's checkerboard, that's like see-through, the background's clear, it will turn to a white background. So this whole picture will be sitting on top of a white background. That's if we choose a JPEG. If we choose a PNG, then it will keep this as a clear background, and then when you put it into your slides, whatever background that you have will show through. So I'm going to choose the PNG, and it's going to download it. Now on a Chromebook, it's not going to show right here. It's going to go into a place called Files on your Chromebook, but you're not actually going to see it download, but it did download. So then we're going to open up a new tab. We're going to click on our Google Waffle up here. We're going to choose our Google Drive. And when we get into our Google Drive, we're going to click New. File Upload. And here's a place where it's going to look different on yours. On mine, it's going to pull up all the different places that I can pull what I just downloaded. On yours, it's going to pull up all the things that you've downloaded. And so you'll be able to see. I'm going to go to downloads for mine. Yours will be one of the first things that's sitting there, and you'll look for 5.1 web, and it'll say PNG. Click on it, and it will upload it to your drive. So now I can see that it's sitting in my drive. So now we've saved it into our drive, and we can add it to a Google Slides. So let's click New and grab a Google Slides. And here's where we're actually going to build our notes for each section in the science book. So we want our first slide to have the picture of our web. So let's X out of that. I'm going to click each of these text boxes. See how I changed my cursor to the cross, and click on it and then delete to get these text boxes to go away. We don't need those, because on our first page, we're going to insert what we just built. Okay, so click Insert. We're going to choose Image. When we choose Image, we're going to choose from Drive. And because it's on Recent, it should be the first thing that we have. And there it is. So we can double click on it, and here is our web. Okay, so since I told you that we saved it as a PNG and we would be able to see through the background, I'm going to show you what that means. When we go up to Slide, if we click on Change Background, we can choose a different color for our background. So I'm going to choose maybe this really pretty blue and click Done. And so you can see that my web sits on top of that, and it's not covered in a big white box. Now, if I'm ready to do my vocabulary, I'm going to click the Add Slide button up here at the top, and I'm ready to do vocabulary.